So as most of you probably remember, we're building a pedestrian connector between the hospital and the old Mohawk Hospital Supply Building. The purpose of that was twofold. One, it'll allow us to have some storage of supplies and offices in the Mohawk building to allow people to get back and forth. IT department, for example, they'll be able to bring their supplies across and serve you all in the clinical areas. But secondly, this bridge provides a conduit for the power to come across to the hospital. So as you can see over here, this is temporary power lines, gas lines coming from the central utility plant that we'll use to heat and power the building during the construction period. These will be replaced afterwards with permanent powered gas lines that will support this building in the future. So we're standing over Columbia Street, downtown Beautiful.